Hello,
Hello,
G!
G. I'm Hil.
I'm Dr. Edith.
Andito po tayo ngayon sa Antipolo City.
Welcome to our humble abode. Tara, pasok tayo.
Una-una, parang paglipat pa lang namin dito, iba yung feeling namin, parang relax na relax kami dito eh. Tapos yung dating bahay namin, kung mga 4 levels, sometimes hindi na namin napupuntahan yung ibang lugar, yung kwartos sa 4th level, hindi namin napupuntahan, lalo na wala na yung mga anak namin, kami na lang dalawa eh. Unlike here, kahit ganyan na there are 4 bedrooms, paglabas ko ng room, nakikita ko yung kabilang room eh. Nakikita ko yung garden. I can see the courtyard. I can see the garage. Di ba? I can see the gazebo. Parang ang dali-daling ano. Hindi ka natatakot. Di ba?
I'm Dr. Edith Tangkilot. I'm an anesthesiologist, but I retired recently from the practice. And
I'm Hil Tangkilot Jr., a mechanical engineer and retiree.
actually, yan, maraming nagtatanong kasi mga seniors na kami, ano? Parang very late na at the stage na magpagawa kami ng bahay na bago. But it's more a necessity than luho. Meron kaming bahay in Taytay, in Admiral Village. Medyo malaki na siya for the two of us. Kasi dalawa na lang kami eh. Siguro nung mga previous years, 3 kasi yung anak namin. Pero dumating na yung time na siguro ako yung isa sa affected. Dahil ilang beses na akong nahulog sa hagdan. Ilang beses na akong nadulas na. And medyo siguro sa age namin, hindi na practical for us yung house na ang daming stairs. Siyempre, iniisip mo din yung pag na-fracture ka kasi as a doctor, alam ko yung pinagdadaanan ng mga patients with hip fracture na matatanda na. So, I don't want to go into that process. So, I suggested na magstay kami sa condo, pero ayaw ni Hil ng condo. Ayaw niya na yung walang garden, gano'n. So, compromise na, okay, di biglaan lang mag-isip na magpagawa ng bahay. Parang hindi naman yan talaga plano. Kasi yung bahay namin is big enough for the two of us. Kaya naisip namin na small house, kung may makikitang gawa na, pwede. Nag-ikot kami. Pero, syempre, iba yung sarili mong gusto, diba? Yung,
Ang concept na namin, sabi namin, 1 floor lang. So, isa yun sa framework. And naisip namin ano pa yung additional na gusto namin na concept. So, in-involve na namin yung mga anak namin. So, nagpapadala sila ng mga ideas, may mga pictures, design. So, sa amin, parang nabuko sa amin yung gusto namin yata yung may courtyard. Ganon. So, isa sa factor na naman yun na in-add namin. Then, one time, we had parang outing kami ng mga kaibigan namin, ng mga doktor eh. So, yung nakuha namin na villa, meron siyang jacuzzi.
magandang concept.
So, sabi namin, ay, isama na natin yan doon sa ating concept. Ganon. Tapos, isa pa, ang anak namin 3. So, we thought of putting up a house with 4 bedrooms. So, para naman magkaroon sila ng feeling, unang-una, para may feeling sila na kanila yung bahay. So, the whole property, pinangalan na namin sa kanila. So, yung title, lahat sa kanila na to. Para hindi naman nila masabi na bisita sila pag pupunta sila dito, di ba? So, they own the property. Para may feeling sila na talagang kanila, di ba? This is 1,100.
1,130 something.
Ang floor area is 380 square meters. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa aming bahay. Dito po sa right side natin is our gazebo. And sa entrance naman po, makikita natin itong sa ramp. This is a very special anti-slip tiles coming from Wilcon.
Hello, nandito na po tayo sa loob ng aming bahay. Dito po yung ating living room. Merong sofa and big TV for entertainment and
You can see the garden.
glass windows so you can see the garden.
Dito naman po tayo sa aming dining area. We have a 10-seater dining table. We have a solid wood dining table. At ito yung upholstered chairs for 10 persons.
This is our kitchen. This is our breakfast nook, which we do not use. We now go to our powder room. We designed it in such a way that there is a break in the monotony of white colors. So we thought of putting a wallpaper on top of it.
Have a separate urinal
Urinal.
for the male guests.
And adjacent to it is the storeroom and then the pantry with the groceries and some wines.
Here's our master's bedroom. And as you can see, you have a king-size bed. And we have a walk-in closet. These are all glass door. And we have a separate toilet for utility usage. This is one of the rooms assigned to our children. So you can see there are 2 double bed, and we have also a separate toilet and bath for them. This is our courtyard and our breakfast area.
This is our favorite place because it's very cozy, looking at the pool, the jacuzzi, and the garden, and also the flooring, anti-slip also.
And isa pa, the jacuzzi is one of the place where we have bonding with our kids whenever they come here, bonding with friends when we invite them. At we really enjoy this area considering that we have a small garden there. So parang napakasarap ng pakiramdam mo pag nandito ka. Yung pool tiles at saka yung composite floor sa Wilcon namin nakuha yan. Yung ibang tiles dyan doon sa gazebo, tapos yung ramp, mga ramps dyan. Anti-slip.
Anti-slip.
Yeah, anti-slip. So, puro anti-slip yung
Yun
nilagay.
pa isa, sa kanila lang yung maganda yung anti-slip.
Anti-slip yung nilagay na.
Medyo choosy kami, picky kami dun sa materials kasi nga madulas. Baka nga walang stairs ako pero yung tiles naman madulas naman It defeats the purpose of a new house na kadulas ka rin, nadapa ka rin.
So, since our house in Taytay is very near Wilcon, so it's very easy for us to go there pagka may kailangan bigla. Ang bilis eh. The price is very reasonable. Yung quality naman is maganda naman ang quality nila, di ba? So there's no question about the quality of the products. Kaya halos yung swimming pool and itong mga nandiyan sa labas na yan. So we got it from Wilcon.
With the experience that I had, hindi sila nahulog, ako lang. Ako lang yung nadudulas, ako lang yung parating, hindi ako nai-injure, pero here, nung matapos na, pagpasok mo parang, ang taas kasi ng ceiling, para bang you're at peace, na very comfortable, at saka maaliwalas, malinis, and Marami talagang nagtatanong kasi I'm 76. Paano kung isang taon ka na lang mabuhay, di isang taon ka lang dyan sa bahay na yan. I don't mind. Maganda naman yung bahay namin sa Taytay. But this one is very fulfilling na this is a picture of our accomplishment, of what we want our house to be. Kahit na mabuhay kami ng 2-3 more years living here, no regrets. It's fulfilling na meron kaming ganitong house na para sa amin, ang yabang ko pero nagagandaan ako dun sa concept na produce nung lahat ng mga suggestions, arguments, bago naging ganito.
Malaking factor yung participation ng bawat miyembro ng pamilya. Di ba? Hindi pwedeng akin lang to, idea ko to, hindi pwedeng idea lang niya, di ba? Kailangan pakikinggan mo muna yung mga kasama mo. Para nung matapos na, lahat kami happy kami, di ba?